Imagine being illiterate, unable to read or write or interact with the world around you. Well, that is the reality for around 300 million illiterate Indian adults. And what we also know is that illiteracy is a cycle, passed from parent to child along with poverty. Children who are not read to by their parents may hear 30 million fewer words by the age of 4. Being read to and read aloud to is one of the best ways to build a skill set for early childhood education. And that is why we built teleStory, to empower illiterate parents to read to their illiterate children for the first time on basic feature phones like the Nokia 3310. And we focus on bedtime stories as a special moment to bring parents and children together. teleStory works in 5 simple steps. Call teleStory's toll-free number. Enter a book code of a physical book, which will be in front of the parent and child. As they play the audio, the audio will play to the words on the page. They click 1 to go to the next page and 2 to repeat. We can then track their engagement in our stories through quizzes, games, and engagement minutes. And we're also building out an interactive dashboard to track that through time, as well as doing home visits to actually see if parents are correctly using our tool with their children. And finally, they can then exchange the books with our partners the next day. To date, we've impacted over 5,000 children and their parents, and we have over 100 different audiobooks on our platform in 4 different languages with our partner Pratham. Our next steps are ultimately to do a really clear impact assessment of the literacy benefits of teleStory. After initially building teleStory as a tool to bring parents and child together, we now want to show that it's really a powerful education tool as well. We plan to complete a crowdfunding campaign this year after winning the Facebook Social Entrepreneur Award 2019 with some of Facebook's support. We also plan to develop a low data Android version and a WhatsApp version and begin to partner on content. teleStory is a partnership-centric social enterprise. We'd love to partner with other organizations in our business model itself to enable users to use our tool for free. We'd love to partner on content. For instance, last year, MIT Solves winner Storyweaver are democratizing content across India and the world, and we could very easily be their audio content provider to reach hard-to-reach children. We could also reduce our costs via distribution partners like Vodafone or Twilio, and our tech stack can be used anywhere in the world. I draw my roots from India and from the UK, and noticing that education difference is where we really founded teleStory. Our team is part of a number of different social impact communities, and we now love to partner with MIT Solve to get the expertise to do our impact assessment and actually scale. Thank you very much.